Hi viewers, this is Vinay Chandra Maxito. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganesh Tutorials. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class.
Exercise number 12.1. First problem. Find the area of sector. Find the area of sector of a circle with a radius 6 centimeter if the angle of the sector is 60 degree. Are you all clear? Excuse me. Find the area of a sector. We should find the area of a sector. In that circle, the radius is 6 centimeter and the subtended angle is 60 degree. Clear? Excuse me. What is the area of a sector formula? What is the area of sector formula? Can anyone tell me? The area of a sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r squared. Excuse me. So theta by 360 into pi r squared square unit. Theta by 360 into theta by 360 into theta by they repeated all of you idiots. Theta by 360 into excuse me, are you all here or not? Then respond it. Theta by 360 into what is the formula? Tell me now. All of you repeat it. Very good. Into pi r squared square units, right? Now what is the theta they given in the problem? What is the theta? In that problem, what is the theta? 60 degree. Very good. Super. What is the radius? 6 centimeter. Very good, baby. Excellent. So now it's very easy. Now we can represent the problem in a diagrammatic. So it is a circle. In the circle, the subtended angle is 60 degree, right? They given a sector. So sector, in a sense, we can consider as a minor sector. So that is 60 degree. Radius 6 centimeter. Then we should find the area of this sector. Clear? So we can write a formula. Area of a sector of an angle theta, which is equal to theta by 360 into pi r squared square unit. Clear? Excuse me. Next, theta value 60. 60 by 360 into pi value you can substitute 22 by 7. R value 6 centimeter. 6 into 6. So next cancel it. 1 6 are 6, 6 6 are 36. So 0 0 cancel. So 1 by 6 into 22 by 7 into 6 into 6. Next, 1 6 are 6, 1 6 are 6. Now you can multiply. 22 into 6, 132 by 7 centimeter square. Are you all clear? That is the area of a sector. Are you all clear? Excuse me. Any doubt? Shall I move to the next problem? Excuse me. Okay. If they been asking a major sector, mean what you supposed to do? Major sector. If suppose they ask a major sector area, means what you supposed to do? Very good. We should find the area of a circle, then we can subtract the area of a minor sector. Otherwise, one more formula. Otherwise, this is the one of the way. One more way. What's the one more way? We can subtract angle. We know that it is a 360 degree. So 360 minus 60, 300. So now theta is 360. 360 is 300. So 300 divided by, instead of theta, you can put a 300. 300 by 360 into pi r squared, right? Super. That is also one of the method of finding a major sector. Now he didn't ask here, they didn't ask a major sector, only minor sector. So next problem, problem number 2. Listen. Find the area of quadrant. Listen. Find the area of quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Listen. Find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Can you tell me what it is a quadrant here? Excuse me. Find the area of a quadrant of a circle. Quadrant of a circle. What it is? Quadrant of a circle means what it is? It's a segment. What it is? Quadrant means 1 by 4th of the circle. Excellent, baby. Super. 1 by 4th of the circle. Right? Semicircle, quadrant, circle. Semi means 1 by 2 of a circle. Quadrant 1 by 4th of a circle. So we should find the area of a circle. Then it is a 1 by 4th value. It is a quadrant circle, right? Excuse me. Whose circumference is they given? Listen. Find the area of a quadrant circle. Whose circumference they given? Listen. They given a circumference, not a radius. Circumference. So what you supposed to do? From the circumference, you supposed to find a radius. Use that radius to find the area of a quadrant circle. Clear? Okay. In a quadrant circle, how will you find out the area of a quadrant circle? Can we use a formula pi r squared by 4? Yes. It is a normal method. When you are given this to the 8th semester also, they will do like this. Pi r squared by 2. Now we are learning a segment area. So what we supposed to do? We are using a segment area. Area of a segment, a sector. Sector area. What we supposed to do? So listen. So now it is a circle. In that circle, it is a quadrant, right? 1 by 4th of a circle. Clear? We should find this area. Clear? Excuse me. Ah. Then in that quadrant circle, what is the angle da? Because it is entire angle is 360. So 360 divided by 4, that is a one part. 1 by 4th of 360 is 90 degree, right? So 90 degree is a quadrant circle angle. Now you can tell me it is a sector or not. It is a sector or not? Yes, it is a sector, but we don't know the radius, what it is. We don't know the radius. Clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. Sure, okay. They given in a problem circumference that is 22 centimeter. So now from the circumference we can find the radius. So what is circumference general form? 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is equal to 22. Then r is equal to, you can transpose the 2 pi towards the left side, 22 by 2 pi. Clear? Excuse me. So 22 by 2 pi. Then you can r is equal to 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 1 2 are 2. So what is the answer? 11 by pi. Clear? Excuse me. 11 by 5. Any doubt, Ra? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt, Ra? Excuse me. Are you all clear? Okay, Ra. Next, now area of a sector. Now we found a radius. So we know the radius. Now we can go with the sector formula. Theta by 360 into pi r square. Otherwise, you can use the what formula? Pi r squared by 4. Both are same, da. Clear? Excuse me. Because it is a quadrant circle. But it is usual method. We are learning here segment formula. So we can use the segment formula. Theta by 360 into pi r squared. Theta value here 90. 90 by 360 into pi into r value 11 by pi. 11 by pi. That is r square. Clear? Excuse me. Then 190s are 90. 490s are 360. Clear? Excuse me. Okay. Next, here 1 pi, here also 1 pi, cancel it. So remaining 1 into 11 into 11 divided by 4 into pi. Clear? That is 1 into 11 what it is? 121. So 121 divided by 4 into pi, 4 pi. Clear? Next, now pi value can substitute 22 by 7. Clear? Excuse me. Next, now it is a denominator. So it should be a reciprocal. It became a numerator, so multiplication. So 121 into 7 divided by 4 into 22. Clear? Excuse me. Now you can cancel it. 2 11s are 22. 11 times of 21. So 11 times are 2 times are. Next you can multiply. 11 into 7, 77. 4 into 2, 8. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? Are you all clear? Excuse me. Any doubt? Shall I move to next problem? Okay, da. Next, third question. Listen, third question. Very easy question. The length of the minute hand. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area of shift by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Listen, you just please carefully. The length of the minute hand of the clock. Minute hand is the largest one, right? So that is the length of the minute hand is 14 centimeter. Find the area of shift by the minute hand in a 5 minutes. Clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. Are you clear? Listen. It's very easy, da. Actually, indirectly they given the minute hand length. It means radius. So that is 14 centimeter. So in the 14 centimeter, it is shifted to the 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. Then how much area it is covered? That is the question. This much area. We should find this area. That's all. Are you clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. Now it is a sector or not? It looks like a sector, but here 14 centimeter, but we don't know the angle, theta. So how will you find the angle? Listen, in this entire clock, it is 16 minutes, right? Excuse me. Ah, so it is a circle 360 degree. So now the entire circle is 360 degree. For 360 minutes, what is the 1 minute angle? What is the 1 minute angle? That is 360 minute, 60-minute angle is 360. 1 minute angle, we should divide 360 by 60 da. Very clear? Excuse me. For 360-degree angle, it is a 16 minutes. So 6 divided by 6. So we can cancel it. 1 6 are 6, 6 6 are 36. So 6 degree. Now we should find for 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes, what it is? In 5 minutes, 5 into 6. That is 30 degree. So what is the theta here? 30 degree. Clear? Excuse me. Are you clear? Any doubt? Very good. Now we can get a theta as well as radius. So area of a sector of an angle theta is equal to, we know that formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. It is the area. Very good. So now theta is 30 by 360 into 22 by 7 into r squared is 14 into 14. Clear? Next you can cancel it. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 1 3s are 3, 0 0 cancel. So remaining here 12, 1 by 12. Now we can cancel it 12 by which one? You can cancel by 14 da. Excuse me, 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14. Next 1 2s are 2, 6 2s are 12. Remaining 6. Excuse me, I will solve it here. Listen, don't make a confusion. 360 degree into 11 by 7 into 14 into 14. Right? Now 0 0 cancel. Right? Excuse me. Yes. 1 6, 1 6 are 1 2s are 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. 12. Right? Next 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14. Next 1 2s are 2, 6 2s are 12. Next 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14. Clear? So the remaining is 11 into 7 divided by 3. So 11 into 7, what is the answer? 177 by 3. Clear? Excuse me da. So the answer is 77 by 3 centimeter. Clear? Any doubt? Check the answer book back side. We did any mistake. Check your book back. Answer, excuse me. Make it fast. That is 77 or 154. 154 by 3. But somewhere we did a mistake. Where it is? Here. Here it is 22 only, no? Excuse me. Here 22 da. So 22 into 7 by 3. 20 into 7, what it is? 154 by 154 by 3. That is 22. Wait. 22 into 7 by 3. That is 154 by 3. Clear? Any doubt? Excuse me. Any doubt? Are you all clear? Clear? Okay. Shall I move to the next problem? Fourth one. Yes. Now we will learn the fourth problem. Very easy one, the fourth one. What they given? Major sector. Okay, da. Listen. Still we have a 10 minutes, right? So more than 10 minutes. Okay, listen, da. Exercise number 12.4, fourth question. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter. Excuse me. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtended at a right angle at a center. Excuse me. Excuse me. Do you all know the word subtended? What is the meaning? Subtended. We learned a 9th standard. What it is? Subtended angle. Here you can tell me what is subtended angle? 90. Excuse me. 90 degree. Here what is subtended angle? Here what is subtended angle? Very good. The same way they given a subtended angle. Listen. So the chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter, subtended angle, right angle at a center. Subtended right angle. So it is 90 degree. Find the area of a corresponding minor segment and major segment. Clear? A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter, subtended at a right angle at the center. Find the area of a corresponding minor arc, minor segment, and major segment. Are you clear? Excuse me. Any doubt? Are you all clear? Now we can proceed a problem. Now it is a circle. First they asked that a subtended angle is 90 degree, then 10 centimeter, right? Excuse me. Check. Radius is 10 centimeter. Subtended angle is 90 degree. What they asking first one? What is the first one? Minor segment. Which is a minor segment? Minor segment. This one, right? Excuse me. Excuse me. Ah, this area is called the minor segment. So we can find a minor segment. First one. So minor segment is equal to minor segment area. What it is? ACP. ACPA. ACPA, which is equal to, listen, we want to find this area, so we can find the area of a sector, then we can subtract the area of a triangle, we will get a remaining area, that is area of a segment or not. Clear? So it is the area of a sector. In this sector you should subtract the area of a triangle, this triangle, then you will get a remaining area, that is area of a segment, right? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Have you all understood? Excuse me. So now listen, we can find it. So area of a minor sector minus area of a triangle. So area of a minor sector, what is the formula? This minor sector formula. What it is? Minor sector formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of a triangle. Area of triangle, what is the formula? 1 by 2 into b into h. Very good. Super. Now 360. Theta, what it is here? 90 degree. What is theta? 90 degree. So 90 degree divided by 360 into pi value, what it is? 22 by 7 into radius. What is the radius? What is the radius? Excuse me? 10 centimeter. So 10 into 10 minus 1 by 2 into b into h. Listen, here in this triangle, what is the height? Base. What is the base and height? It is a right angle triangle. It's not a normal triangle, right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle, what is the base and height? 90 degree. Base is 10 centimeter. Height also 10 centimeter, right? Excuse me. Don't take a base as a AB. It is a triangle. It is hypotenuse, right? Opposite to the angle is a hypotenuse, not a base. Excuse me. So it is right angle triangle. 10 centimeter is the height. 10 centimeter is the base, right? So we can substitute the value. 10 into 10. Now you can cancel it. 0 0 cancel. 1 9s are 9. 4 9s are 36. Next, 2 4s are 11 times. Next, 1 2s are 5 times. So what is the answer? 11 into 5 into 10 by 7 minus here 1 to the 2, 5 to the 10. What is the answer? 1 into 5 into 10, right? Excuse me. Now 11 5s are 55. 55 into 10, 550 by 7 minus 50. Now you should take LCM and solve it. 550 minus 350 divided by 7. What is the answer? 200 by 7 centimeter square. That is more important. So area of a segment, what it is? So area of minor segment, what it is? ACPA equal to 200 by 7 centimeter square. If you want to convert to decimal, you can convert it, no problem. Clear? Excuse me, da. Data. Next, what they asking? Area of major sector. Sector. So in this diagram, which one is a major sector? Major sector. Major sector. So it is a minor sector. Major sector is this one, right? Clear? So here it is 90 degree angle. What is the major sector angle? Entire is 360. 360 subtracted by the minus sector angle, then we'll get a remaining is a major sector angle. What is the major sector angle? A entire angle is 360 da. Here minus sector 90. What is the major sector? Very good. 270. So the major sector subtended angle is equal to 270. So now we can find the area of a major sector. As usual, we get a theta and radius. We can find it. So major sector area, area of a major sector. Okay, major sector area is equal to 270 degree by 360 degree into pi into r squared. 10 into 10 square units, right? Excuse me. So cancel. Here 3 table, 9 3s are 1 3s are 2 3s are. Again 3 3s are 4 3s are. So 3 by 4 into pi into 10 into 10. Excuse me. We can multiply. 3 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 10 into 10. Again you can cancel it 5 times, 2 times, again 2, 5 times. So what is the answer? 322 is 66. 66 into 5 into, what is the answer? 66 into 5 into 5. Find it fast. What is the answer? Excuse me. 25 into 66. 1650 centimeters square. That's all. Clear? Excuse me. That is a major sector area. Any doubt? Excuse me.
I hope in this video you may clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment. Thank you.